Got one. God dang. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. This was actually not a planned video. I just happened to get a few packages in the mail, which were very unexpected. I mean, I expected them, but not as like now. And so yeah, that's pretty much, we saw the thumbnail and the title of the video. It is an unboxing. Like I said, I was only expecting one to come in like pretty much about today, but no, I had 4 packages today. And so yeah, let's get to it and go ahead and let's start opening these boxes. Here we go. First box, which is a box that I was actually expecting to get, which is by Vicious Fishing, which y'all heard me say it probably more than once, which is a brand I use for my fishing line. So here we go. Here's a little peek inside of the box right here. So what I got is some 15-pound fluoro, 200 yards, some 40-pound braid, and it's a blue color, as you can see right here, which actually I like that blue. It's just a bright blue. That's probably gonna go on something real soon. And then 17-pound test right here, same thing, fluoro, 200 yards. And there's some kids having fun out there, if y'all can hear in the background or not. And then last in this box is a shirt. So yeah, there's a little logo right there, the brand name. So it's the first one. And then now the smallest box that was here. This is my very first Shimano. Right here, this is the Curado 200, or the Curado K 200HG. Right here, I've never used these. I've always used, well now, recently just used Lose. But yeah, let's check it out. What we got in here, of course, a little manual. Right here, and nice little bubble wrap, and then some little bottle of oil, maintenance oil. That's pretty cool. Got that in there. But yeah, this is my very first Shimano ever, and this was from Bass Pro Shop, or it's from Cabelas, I'm sorry. But yeah, here it is. First time actually ever having it in hand. Besides, you know, like the displays at Bass Pro Shop or Cabelas, but feels extremely smooth. I like how it's kind of real stealth right here. You know, most time like everybody else has the braking system right here. This one's at the bottom, which actually I need to set that because it's at 3 most time. Put it at 5. Sorry about that. I'll adjust it later. One second. Okay. Yeah, same thing for anything else. You have your drag. I mean, for everything else, any other reel, pretty much baitcaster, you have your drag and your tensioner knob. And these grips are actually the Power Grip R. These are pretty slick. I actually like them. Actually, I like the wind grips from Lose, but these are pretty good. Real smooth. Can't wait to get this on the water. And this is a 4-to-1. So yeah, hopefully soon this will actually, I'll show you what it's gonna go on, which I got. It's already actually out of the box. So today I got the go-to rod with the gold series. I already had the green series, so now I have both the green and the gold series. So that is actually going here, which that blue braid is probably gonna go on that rod. I mean on that reel. So here's the bigger unboxing right here. Yeah, it's pretty much bigger unboxing is the rod without it really being opened already, because I didn't want to bring a big old tube out here with me. But here it is right here. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's the gold series go-to rod from Googan Squad. So can't wait to use that as well. Which, I mean, I already used the green one. It shouldn't be too any different. These are from Bass Mafia. Little tackle boxes right here. I don't remember which size this one was, but here we go. This thing is, I have another one like this already. It's pretty much what I use my terminal tackle in. So this one's probably be my weights, the other one will be my hooks. And these things are pretty durable. They're awesome. That's why I got some more of them, which is these exact same ones. And here's the other size right here, which I can't remember whether actually, I don't remember. But anyways, here's the other one. This is more, of course, the hard baits right here, and these have so many slots where you can adjust everything out of. But these things are pretty good. I mean, they around 20, between 15 20 bucks, depending what size you get, maybe less, but there's some around there. But anyways, yeah, those you'll see me soon. Like when I actually have my stuff with me, you'll see me have one that's actually already used. If you haven't seen it before in the videos, I don't think I haven't actually really see one. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this this video. Just a quick unboxing. Like I said, it wasn't really planned. I just opened the front door and had all these boxes, and so I was like, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and knock out this video real quick before I forget and I end up tearing everything open. But yeah, so soon you should be seeing me breaking in the new reel and rod with probably the blue braid on here. But yeah, so I guess until then, guys, I'll hopefully see you on the water next time. So see you out.